massive hurricane is approaching the state of Hawaii. Strong winds are already blowing across the islands. They've named it Hurricane Iniki. Residents fear the worst. Last-minute preparations are underway. Locals board up homes, stockpile food, and fill their cars with gas. Entire communities pack into hotel basements seeking protection from the impending storm. Outside, the winds of Hurricane Iniki are already exceeding 100 miles per hour as the eye of the hurricane draws near. Just before 4 p.m., the eye wall hits land. Its power is unleashed. The hurricane rips through Kauai. The winds pummel small towns and villages across the island. In Ama'o, a family can only watch while a house across the street is destroyed. In the small town of Hanapepe, a carport bounces violently from the harrowing winds. Moments later, then in Kalo'a, a terrified family has decided to ride out the storm in their home. But the roof is not withstanding the force of the hurricane. 23 miles north in Kapahi, Iniki's destructive winds attack this two-story home. The next day, it's clear that Iniki has destroyed almost everything in its path. The Category 4 hurricane sustained wind speeds of 140 miles per hour. Gusts were measured at 227 miles per hour, 54 miles per hour faster than Hurricane Katrina, and one of the highest wind speeds ever recorded inside a hurricane.